What is up, guys? How are you? Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. We're officially back into dark mode. I was kind of bored with light mode, so we're back to dark mode. Do let me know how you feel about this dark mode setup in the comment section down below. Now today we are continuing the break from smartphones and talking about other products. This is the newly launched Redmi Band. It's launched for a price of rupees 1599, which according to me is a very aggressive and good pricing by Xiaomi. So let's go ahead and watch the unboxing experience first. Sit back, relax and have a cup of chai. You know why? Because chai is love. Alright, this is the Redmi Smart Band, which has been launched in India for a price of rupees 1599. And I guess this is a very good pricing for this particular smart band over here. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this product and let's see what all do we get inside. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using a tester for the unboxing. Tester OP in the chat, guys. Tester OP. Back. So that was the unboxing experience of the Redmi Band. Xiaomi has been making fitness bands for quite some time now, but all of them have been under the Mi branding. So Mi Band 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now recently Xiaomi is trying to separate the portfolios of Mi brand and Redmi brand, Redmi being the cheaper, more affordable brand, and that's why they launched a new fitness tracker under the Redmi branding, which is again cheaper than the Mi Band. Now is the Redmi Band any good? Well, let's talk about that. First up, let's talk about that display. So it comes with a TFT LCD display, and the good part about the display is that it's a color display and it is also bright enough. A couple of months ago, we did a video about Realme Band, and that band had severe problems in terms of the brightness of the display. But those problems are not present on the Redmi Band. In fact, it gets pretty bright and the display is really good. Now obviously it would have been better to have an OLED display like we have on the Mi Band, but this is a Redmi Band, more affordable one. That's why the TFT LCD display. Now this display is also touchscreen. That means you can swipe through the display to go through the various options available on the display. So you can go to your workouts, notification, heart rate, or if you want to change any settings, if you want to add an alarm or something like that. So you can swipe through the various options on the display. Apart from that, there is also a touch button which is used to go back to the previous screen and also to wake this device. So it's a good combination of touch screen and a touch button. The only problem over here is that the touch screen is not that sensitive. That means you have to press a little hard and then it will work. It's not like your smartphones where the touch is instantaneous. It's not like that. You have to press a little hard on the display to, actually swipe through the options. Now the Redmi Band is a fitness tracker at its core. Do not confuse it with a smartwatch. It is not a smartwatch. It is a fitness tracker. Now because of this, you do get a lot of fitness features. For example, it has a pedometer which will calculate the number of steps you've walked. It also comes with a heart rate sensor, and that is excellent. For this price point, Xiaomi has not cut the heart rate sensor, and that is a very good thing. It will monitor your heart rate continuously even while you're working out. So essentially you can use this band to track your fitness data. One awesome thing about the Redmi Band, which is not present on the Mi Band, is the way it charges. It has a direct USB port into the band itself. So just remove the strap, plug it into a USB port, and you will be good to go for charging. You don't need to carry a separate proprietary wire as you have to do with the Mi Band 4 or any Mi Band for that matter. So that is a very handy feature, and maybe it will be available in the next Mi Band version as well. Redmi Band connects to your smartphone via an app called as Xiaomi Wear. This app is different from Mi Bands. Mi Bands use an app called as Mi Fit. But nevertheless, there is an app available for Android as well as iOS, and you can control everything about your band from that app. If you want to change the watch face, you can change the watch face. There are a lot of options available and you can store some of them on the band itself. Apart from that, you can change literally everything about the band from the app itself, and you will also be able to see your fitness data on this app. So basically the Xiaomi Wear app and the fitness band go hand in hand. As far as the build quality goes, it's not the most premium out there, but it does not feel cheap as well. It feels like a normal smart band, worth it for the money in terms of build quality. In terms of colors, you get 4 options: black, blue, orange and green. If you ask me, my favorite is the black one. It looks classy and will go with anything. Like, it is a fashion product after all, because you're gonna wear it. So it will go with a lot of things because yeah, it's black. Overall, as far as my first impressions go, I am very impressed with the Redmi Band. So if you are looking to get into the world of fitness trackers and you don't want to break the bank, then Redmi Band is an excellent option out there. If you want to buy it, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. Alright, now it's time to talk about that giveaway. Yes, I will be giving away one Redmi Band to one lucky viewer out there. What are the rules to enter into the giveaway? Pretty simple. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. That is very important. Number 2, leave a comment down below. It can be anything. Hi, bye, chai is love, chai is bae, stay hydrated, whatever you want. Just drop a comment down below. Also, make sure to mention your Instagram handle in the comment itself. Now, why am I saying this? Because I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram page. That's why please mention your Instagram handle. Now you have to follow me on Instagram as well. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you will be disqualified. It is @Technolobe. Follow me over there so that you will stay updated about the result of this giveaway. Anyway, that's been it. This was the unboxing and initial impressions of Redmi Band. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.